Welcome to A to Z with Zora G. I'm Zora G, a professional English tutor who is here to help you improve your English proficiency with tips and tricks and short videos. In this short video, we will be working on the L sound. So to make the L sound, you push your tongue to the roof of your mouth behind your front teeth. Watch me, please. L, L. So I'm going to go over a list of words. And with each word, I'm going to pause and give you the opportunity to practice, to repeat the words. So we'll go through it slowly. This is designed for you to have the chance to repeat the lesson if L is a sound that gives you trouble. And I will repeat each word 3 times, nice and slow. Practice with me. Our first word is lovely. Your turn. Lovely. Lovely. Next we have lynx. 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 Third, we have lock. 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 Lemon. 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 Next, laundry. 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 Learning. 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 Launch. 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 And finally, leaf. 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 That's it for our list of words, but I have a bonus for you. Here's a L sound tongue twister that you can practice to get the sounds right. This one's actually from my British husband because it uses the word lorry, which we call truck in American English. But for the purposes of this tongue twister, it needs to be lorry so you can practice the sounds. So here's the tongue twister. Red lorry, yellow lorry. So we try to say it faster and faster if possible. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. And when you're practicing this tongue twister, try to make sure that you keep the sounds sharp. So go fast, but don't go so fast that you lose the sharpness of the sounds. That's the whole point of the practice, to get your tongue sharp with the sounds. One more time. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Red lorry, yellow lorry. Thank you very much for joining me on this practice of the sound L. I will be posting more videos with sounds, and if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please contact me at zoragtutor@gmail.com. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time.